Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well and you're ready for more of our 2012 Pascal paper. We're on question 17 now. In the diagram, points R and S lie on QT. Also, we know that PTQ is 62 and RPS is 34 and QPR is X. What is the value of X? And we also have these two sides are the same and these two sides are the same. So I'm seeing a few isosceles triangles here. So let's draw a copy of this. Now, one thing you can do, sometimes I like highlighting the same sides with the same color, or same lengths with the same color. So we'll put the two sides in blue. That way I can avoid having to do any of those dashed line things. Okay. Now, we know we've got 62 over here, and if I just look at the big triangle with the blue isosceles sides, we know that opposite angles in an isosceles triangle are equal, so we get 62 degrees there. Okay. We've got a 34 degrees up here. Now, if I were to give the name to these down here, they have to be the same. They're y. We could calculate y, because we know 2y plus 34, that's the sum of the angles inside that red triangle. That's going to be 180 degrees. Okay, well then 2y is going to be 146. Divide by 2, y has got to be 73. Okay, so 73 degrees. 73 degrees. Now, how does this help? Well, outside of those, we still need to add up to 180. Okay, so this angle out here, which we could give another name Z, but we can just calculate it right away, is going to be 34 plus 73, because it's an exterior angle. Or we can just ask, what do I have to add up with 73 to make 180? Okay, so we'll get 107. We'll get 107. Okay, and now we can get x, and it actually turns out you get x in both places here. Okay, and it really looked like that from the picture, but of course couldn't guarantee it because while we've got two sides that are the same, we don't actually know anything about the base or that they have an angle in common, so we couldn't quite work it out right away. I mean, you could have said, aha, these must be the same, so these must be the same, and then therefore, side angle side, you're good to go. But it doesn't really matter. Now we can get x, because we know x degrees plus 62 degrees plus 107 degrees must be 180. Okay, taking a look at this triangle right here. Okay, so x plus 169 is 180. X has got to be 11. So we're just looking at 11 degrees. There we go. So 11 degrees is A. Fantastic. So we bubble in A, and that's question 17 all taken care of. Up next, we're going to take a look at question number 18.